Classic American Popeyes chicken sandwich over the fire. Okay, let's get started by preparing the chicken. For this sandwich, we'll use chicken thighs, the larger, the better. To debone them easily, cut closely around the bone. Ideally, you should be able to peel the meat off the bone. The goal is to produce a large, single piece of meat to make a hearty sandwich. And voila, here are your deboned chicken thighs. Next, we need to prepare a buttermilk bath for the chicken. Everybody likes a good bath, right? To start, pour about 2 cups of buttermilk into a bowl or casserole dish. To enhance the flavor and give it a little kick, we'll season it with a generous amount of salt, paprika, garlic powder, and freshly ground black pepper. Thoroughly mix all the ingredients into the buttermilk. Once the mixing is done, place all the chicken thighs into the buttermilk mixture. Make sure that all the chicken is covered with a thick layer. It's important to let the chicken absorb all the flavors, so we'll let it soak for 4 to 5 hours. While the chicken is resting, let's start the fire. This is one of my favorite moments of the week. I love the smell of the smoke and the crackling of the fire. Once the fire is burned down and is nice and hot, put the grill in position. As always, wear gloves to protect your hands. As the grill is heating up, we'll cut the brioche buns in half. When cutting, make sure that the bottom half is thick enough. These are going to be some seriously heavy sandwiches. Once the buns are finished toasting, put a Dutch oven in the grill and add enough oil to fry the chicken. Make sure the temperature of the oil reaches around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, let's go wake up the chicken. With a pair of tongs, take each piece of chicken out of the buttermilk bath and dredge it in the flour. You want the chicken to be totally covered, so take the time to evenly coat both sides. Shake it to remove the excess flour. Now that oil is hot enough, let's get this party started. Slowly place the chicken in the oil. It's really important to not drop the chicken because you could splash oil onto your hand or into the fire. We'll go ahead and let the chicken fry for about 4 to 5 minutes. While we're waiting, let's make the classic sauce for the sandwiches. In a small bowl, we'll combine homemade mayonnaise, yellow mustard, and ketchup. With a spoon, mix it all together to create a smooth and creamy texture. One last job for the knife. We'll chop up some pickles into thin round slices. These will give the sandwiches a delicious crunch and savory taste. We're almost there. Use the spoon to spread a thick layer of sauce on the bottom buns. This will help hold the pickles in place. Next, put down a layer of pickles on the buns. Looks like all the chicken is almost finished. Remove the chicken from the Dutch oven, shaking off the excess oil. Now, we're ready to assemble the sandwiches. Place the chicken on the bottom buns, but don't knock off any pickles. The very last step is to spread some sauce on the top buns and put them on the sandwiches. Voila! Just a super easy recipe. These look like great chicken sandwiches. What do you think? I can't wait to try one. Let's cut one in half. Doesn't this look good? This may be one of my favorite sandwiches. Very crispy and, just as importantly, incredibly delicious. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out the next videos displayed on the screen. Thank you so much for watching.